Okay, so I'm going to create a template with Visual Studio. So my first time doing it, so I'm going to go new project, and I want Windows Forms app. I'm going to call this WinForms app VLC template. Okay, and then so I got to install the packages. So tools, Nuget package manager, and I want to install a screenshot of it. We want to install those ones. So lib VLC sharp. Okay, click install. Good. And then we want lib VLC sharp.winforms. Install. And then lib video lam .libvlc.windows. So now if I go to installed and I search for VLC, I should see 3 things. Good. Now, ChatGPT's help me with this. Go to project, export. I don't see that option. Maybe search. Project export template. Save the changes. And this is going to be a project template. Says this wizard will allow you to export a project or project item from the current solution to a template which future projects can then be based upon. Which type of template would you like to create? Project template. A project template will allow a user to create a new project based on your exported project. A user will be able to utilize your template from the new project dialog box for client projects and from the new website dialog box for websites. And then there's this item template option. It says from which project would you like to create a template? So I select WinForms app VLC template. Next, template name, WinForms app VLC template. Template description, VLC for WinForms. Icon image, preview image. Maybe I could get the cone as the image. VLC. Or what about this? Well, maybe I need a save image as. Whoops. Okay, then I'll find that image. Okay, I'll deal with that in a minute. Just use the same image. Output location. Okay, so I need to make note of this path. It's going to be in Documents, Visual Studio 2022, my exported templates, WinForms.VLC template.zip. Automatically import the template into Visual Studio. Display an Explorer window on the output files folder. Finish. Okay, so now I want to create a new project from that. File, new project. What was the name? It's like Forms VLC. I guess I have to put it in the documents folder. So I'll copy that and then go to here, project templates, C#. Wait, it's already there, so I don't need to put it there, right? Next. And I can call it like that. Or maybe I'll just call it VLC. Create. And now this new project should have all those packages installed. Yeah. Like if I search here for lib VLC sharp, it'll say it's already installed.